The blue light on your RE water heater is more than just a glow, it's a built-in diagnostic tool that tells you exactly how your unit is performing. When the blue light is steady and solid, everything is working normally. Your heater is operating correctly and heating water as it should. If the blue light starts flashing, that's when you need to pay attention. A slow, steady, heartbeat flash usually means the unit is in standby mode. This is normal when the heater isn't actively heating water. However, faster or repeated flash patterns signal specific error codes. The number of flashes corresponds to particular issues such as gas control valve problems, overheating, or ignition faults. Always check your user manual to match the flash pattern to the correct diagnosis for your model. To troubleshoot, start by checking the gas supply. Make sure the gas valve is fully open and propane tanks are not empty. Next, inspect electrical connections around the gas control valve for loose or damaged wiring. Perform a reset by turning the heater off for 3 to 5 minutes, then restoring power. Also check that vents are clear and unobstructed, and confirm the pilot light is lit if your model uses one. If the issue continues, contact a licensed technician.